Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paraguilar and you are watching Dipat TV. The following program has been approved for all audiences. For viewers 13 years and below, parental guidance is advised. Ladies and gentlemen, broadcasting to you live from Barangay Anonas in the city of Bordaneta in Pangasinan inside DPAT's laboratory. Don Patrick D. Paraguilar proudly bringing you the final chapter of our Oktoberfest 2023 edition of DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Time now for our ranking phase today. Starting with our matchup, starting with this matchup between Neon Sara taking on Metalder in our first matchup to kick off our Sabado DTL. On a special day lang po for 2 straight Saturdays. Kasi yung Sabado po, pag this is but due to the election day po so I decided po na ilipat namin. Then, 1 week po ito papahinga. For November 2023, yan. Kung pagdating ng November 4, which is supposed to be November 1, ang salit na November 1, yung first magiging November 4, yung 1 po natin for November 8. New. So, in our race number 1 for our ranking phase today, it's going to start off our final showdown of this for Oktoberfest SMC. It's going to be starting at first kasi nga po day 1. Succeeding race after so in our race number 1 today, it's going to be Sarah starting at day 1, Albert at day 2, Sarah at day 2, alright, without further ado, this license na po ang ranking phase for today's time. This is SMC. Beginning with this race, number 1, Sweet Storm. Ready, set, right. Ikaw na pa? Paubos na lang yung battery mo. Okay. Malamig po Malamig. Talagang tumambang eh. Talagang umimbang eh. Okay. Unang natumba. Si Metalder sumabit eh. So, siya yung unang lalaban kay Venom. Draw game po to start off our DPAT's Tamiya League SMC today on our final showdown this month. Opo. Again, ang dahilan ko po, in advance ko na po, in anticipation for our barangay SE election day. Yung voting ng lahat ng mga nasa within barangay, within a certain barangay only. So, in our case, yung buong barangay Anonas lang po. Yung mga taga-Anonas sila nang boboto para sa respective barangay na. And same goes for the other barangays in Ordaneta and the rest of the country. Alright? So, draw. So, tabla po. Sina Neon Sara at Metalder. Alright. Pasensya na po kung medyo nilakasan ko po yung boses ko dahil po kasi para hindi po tayo, para iwas copyright po tayo. Yung background music na malakas, so kinailangan ko pa pantayan yung lakas, sabayin yung lakas ng boses. So, dyan na po lang. My apologies for being loud. Ako po yung humingi na po ng dispensa sa pagiging malakas ang boses. So, pero hindi po galit talagang iniiwas ko lang mag-copyright claim. Just in case na i-upload ko po ito sa YouTube po. Yung DPAT's Tamiya League YouTube channel, coming soon po yan. Alright. Race number 2 na po tayo right away. It's going to be McLaurin taking on Polaris in our race number 2. And it's going to be McLaurin.
Alright, starting at lane 2, and Polaris will start at lane 1. I repeat, McLaren at lane 2, and Polaris at lane 1. Alright, race number 2, switch on. Ready, set,
Grabe talaga si Patorin. Nagwala. Patay. There's no way na matatalo ko pa yun. Hit. McLaren winner by hit. Alright. So, ano na, race for third rematch agad yung ating race number 5 mamaya. Alright, McLaren wins by hit. Ilagay ko first hit of the afternoon of our Sabado racing. Hindi pa kasi gabi, kaya sinabi ko Sabado racing lang po, no? Alright. Polaris lost. McLaren won. Green. Race number 3. Alright, after race number 4, cooling break. Biglang El Nino kasi. Race number 3 na po tayo. Ito, expect nating mamawa ng labanan sa pagitan ni MP at ni Setsuna ang comebacking one last chance for October 2023. Advance Happy Halloween, mga kadipat. Yan. Race ito yung isang talawag natin sa ating race number 3. It's going to be a battle of Super 2 Chassis Cars MP and MP the Dash 1 Emperor Premium and Setsuna the Owl Racer. And in this race number 3, it's going to be MP starting at lane 1, Setsuna at lane 2. Repeat, MP at lane 1, Setsuna lane 2. Alright, race number 3, switch on. Halimaw. Ready, set. Sabi kayo eh. Hinamoy. Grabe lang malayan, galap ng oh, nauna. Final lap. Wow, grabe mga kalipak. Oh my goodness, grabe, split second late lang po yung pagitan ng dalawang auto natin, mga kalipak. Parehong team labas po ito, meaning pwede kong isa sa mga prospect natin sa kabilang liga, sa mga ligang labas. Mga panlaro ko to sa ligang labas eh. Pag halimbawa, kalaban yung yung team dead disease laon yun, malimbawa lang. Pagkalaban ng taga-laon yung taga-NPC, mga ganon. Ayan yung dalawa sa aking mga panlaro. Ang gap lang po nila, ganito lang po. Ito lang po. Diyos ko po, pineapple ba yan? Grabe. Ganong katikit ang naging laban ng dalawang to. But in the end, it's going to be MP emerging victorious over Setsuna. Grabe. Grabe. Split second lang. Hinabol pa sa amin. Tapos biglaman lang ang nakagalog si MP. Grabe to. Bangis. Ang bangis ng laban na yun. One of the best races so far. Let's see kung susunod na nila. Alright. Grabe. Ang inis ng kasyon, yung sabog ng tubig. Ako yung record. Ang tubig. Race number 4. Alright. Race number 4 na po tayo. Hop. Tumabingi. Turug. Sandali. Medyo tumabingi pala. Teka muna. Pamabingi. Tereng. Tumabingi nandi pares dereg. Ayun, kaya pala eh. Kaya naman pala. Ayun. Yan. Okay. Alright, race number 4. Biglang bumagsak eh. Boom, bagsak. Race number 4 na po tayo. Venom taking on Metalder in our race number 4. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2.
And Metalder will start at lane 1. I repeat, Venom at lane 2, Metalder or versus 3 times. Ang lalaban to. Ready, set, Naging danger, Venom. Final lap.
Grabe naman yan. Our current champion of the month, awardee Venom, emerging victorious. Grabe. Hoy! Magiging ano na, ang finals rematch pala natin, race number 7 agad-agad, Venom versus MP. Yung previous race na, yung rematch ng championship race last Wednesday, yun ang race number 7. So, race. Rematch ng sila kagad. Okay, Lighty Drake. Sarap ng Lighty. Lighty juice. Yeah. Okay. Maingay. Teka muna. I-adjust lang natin yung ano. Double check ko lang yung position ng ano. Camera natin. Alright, race number 5 na tayo right away. Race for third rematch na po tayo between McLaurin and Neon Sara. Magkalaban na po sila sa ating race number 5. McLaurin starting lane 1 and Neon Sara starting lane 2. I repeat, Neon Sara lane 2, McLaurin lane 1. Alright, race ready, set, right. Neon Sara. Patay! Okay, Peter. Neon Sara. Final na. Okay. Inalas pa. Okay. Tara, game. Yung unang natumba, yun ang harap ano. Ay, hindi. Tama, unang tapos na si yun sa akin. Correct. Tama, kay McLaurin na siya. Tama yun, tama. Unang natumba si McLaurin. Draw game. Dalawang draw game yun sa race number 6. Okay, Super 2 chassis battle ulit tayo. Dalawang dikit. 5 ang ating Super 2 ngayon. In our race number 5, Come na. Nalalaglag eh. Sandali lang po, nalalaglag yung ating camera. Sa tindi ng action, medyo nami-misplace yung nami-misplace yung camera natin. Etong sayo. Yan. Right? Sorry. Iba pala. Tapos ito. Hopefully this will help. Ganito, atras ko na lang konti para okay. Officials timeout lang tayo. Officials timeout. Ay, malaglag na. Alalaglag na, alala. Ala, mahulog! Ala, mahulog! Lag. Okay. Okay. Yan. Hopefully, hindi mahulog. Hopefully, hindi mahulog. Alright, race number 6 tayo. Alright. Alright, race number 6 po tayo. It's going to be Polaris taking on Setsuna. Yan. So yung mga pulelap, ang maglaban sa ating race number 6. Again, so race number 6 is going to be Polaris starting at lane 2, Setsuna at lane 1. I repeat, Polaris at lane 2, Setsuna at lane 1, being their respective starting lanes. Alright, race number 6. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Last lane, Senior Polaris. Final lap. Okay. Polaris winner. All right. Okay. Yan. Ay, kaya naman pala eh. Kaya naman pala. Ayun. Alam ko na bakit natutumba. Gets ko na. Huli. Loko. Huli, pero di kulong. Huli, pero di kulong. Kaya naman pala natutumba eh. Ayun. Ayun naman pala eh. Ayun naman pala. Yeah. Nice. Ayun. Okay. So, ayos na. Okay, tabulate tayo ng result. Let's tabulate the result of race number 6. Going for rematch, final 3 match. Yung pala na-miss alay pala yung word. Yeah. Na-miss alay. Polaris wins. Sets na. Race number 7. Alright. Race number 7 na po tayo. Rematch. Finals rematch na tayo sa ating race number 7 between Venom and MP. So, mamawan. Asahan na naman nating mamawan ang labanan sa ating race number 7. This time, it's sa championship last Wednesday. Race number 7. We have Venom starting at lane 1. MP starting at lane 2. I repeat, Venom at lane 1, MP at lane 2. So it's blue versus orange right here in this race number 7 rematch from the previous championship race. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. MP yan. Venom natin. Magigpit na laban. Yun na lang. Final mo. Over with the range. Yun. Buti na lang. Yun, ang naging problema. Masyadong malikot sa tank. Yun. Yun, naging conflict nun. Nadali-dali siya sa talunan. Hindi ka tawag ni Venom, talagang stable. Venom remaining unbeaten against MP. Alright. So, hindi nakabawi si MP kay Venom. Durog. Loser. Ay, tapos na. Senso na MP yun. Last na. Okay. Pwede loser antay ni MP. Okay. O, ayusin natin. Nagulo. Nagulo na naman tayo. Teka muna. Di ka muna. Sige. 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 Alala ko tuloy yan ay, sige, sige, Ryunan. Okay, okay, Ryunan. Sige, sige, Ryunan. Sabay ka. Alright, race number 8 na po tayo right away. It's going to be McLaren taking on Metalder in our race number 8. But before we proceed, nga pala, pag-ulipan muna natin yung up ni Pedro MP. Dito na lang. Baka hindi mauga yung isa. Medyo mauga kasi yung mesa, kaya dito ka na lang siya isusulat. Green. Alright. Okay. Race number 8. Alright, race number 8 na tayo. McLaren versus Metalder in our race number 8. In this matchup, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 2, Metalder at lane 1. I repeat. Metalder. Right, race number 8. Sweet fun. Set. Right. Pata. Final up. Let's see. Center R. Nakapanalo rin sa wakas. Metalder finally winning it. All right. Ano yan? Winner ito. Ay, loser yun. No? Loser pala. Loser ni McLaren pala. Magantay na ang winner ng race 9 si Metalder. Si Polaris ang iintayin niya pala sa race 9. Kung ano may magiging result, pero tama. Sana nga lang, hindi na tumumba. Hopefully, hindi na tumumba basta huwag nagalawin ito ng mesa. Hindi natin huwag magalaw yung mesa. Panalo si Metal Laser Arm. Nakatikim ng Laser Arm si McLaren kay Metalder. Tatlo na, tig-isa si McLaren. Recap tayo, Venom, Mo, 1-1, Steve KMT, ganon din si McLaren sa tatlong laban, Split, tig-isa, 2 tabla si Niang Sara, 1 panalo, 1 tabla si Metalder, tig-isang panalo talo. Okay. High degree. Nako. Okay naman. Bumigay na naman. Kuku. Hindi na kinaya yung bigat. Meron. Hindi na kinaya yung bigat. Dawag. Mabigat ba? Mabigat ba? Okay. Mabim. Magabim. Okay. Ganito na lang. Saan ba yung pako? Ayun. Visual time up ulit. Ayusin natin yung i-refix natin yung kailangan ingatan wag mapindot. Ingatan wag mapindot ang live. Delikado. Baka bigla tayo mahento-hento. Bigla tayong mapasayaw ng hento sumabay sa SB19. Speaking of SB19, may bago pala silang single, kagabi kay Myrtle sa Rosa ko lang nalaman eh. Alright, again, shout out to my ultimate crush and my ultimate love of my life, Myrtle sa Rosa. I love you so much. Mama chup chup. Okay. Alright, ayan. Sige. Race number 9. Alright, race number 9 na po tayo. Battle of Super 2 cars ulit. Neon Sara taking on Polaris in our race number 9. And in this matchup of Super 2 chassis cars, it's going to be Neon Sara starting at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2. I repeat, Neon Sara at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2. All right, race number 9. Switch on. Ready, set, okay. Lap 2. Final fingers at Polaris. Final lap. Polaris winner. So, winner. Tapos na kasi si Metander kay Neon Sara. Ito na nga. Ano? Yan. Hopefully nga lang, hindi na magalaw. Hopefully nga lang, hindi na siya magalaw. Kaya talagang gawin natin. Okay. So, talo si ano doon, talo si Neon Sara. Polaris. Tapos, Polaris 2-1. Okay. Alright, race number 10. Race number 10 na po tayo. Battle of Dark Warriors sa ating race number 10. Ito, isa pang naman to. Dahil parang malakas ang baterya ng dalawang to eh. It's going to be Venom versus Setsuna. Ang dalawang kontrapelo, dalawang Dark Warriors natin magkalaban sa race. Venom starting at lane 2 this time. And Setsuna starting at lane 1. I repeat, Venom at lane 2, Setsuna at lane 1. Alright, race number 10. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Quick start. Agrawe. Bigla start. Binabol. Bato. Ang kalap. Ayun, nakumba ka. Basta bakal naman, nakumba ka. Ano kaya yun? Darag. What an upset. Setsuna winner. Isan. Isan. Losen. Venom losen. Okay. Setsuna won over. What an upset. Race 11. Orange Army Battle sa ating race number 11. Alright. Race number 11 will feature MP taking on McLaren in our race number 11 Battle of Orange Army Cars. It's going to be MP starting 1, McLaren. Beat MP at lane 1, McLaren at lane 2. Alright. The Battle of Orange Army Cars in our race number 11. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay. 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 Kahit mag-keep man yan eh. Pakalo na nila sa MP. MP winner. Alright. Awesome. Okay. One. McLaren most so 1 pala sa 2 wins. Okay. So, dalawang assignment na natitira, Venom Setsu na Dark Warriors na natitira ng assignment ni McLaurin. Tama. After ni Setsu na si Venom ang team. Okay. Race number 12. Race number 12 na po tayo right away. It's going to be McLaurin taking on Polaris in our race number 12. Wherein the names of the cars will be like this. Metalder starting at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1. Race number 12. On. Ready, set, live. Set na natin Polaris. Oh, may pa. Okay. Final na. Polaris wins. Ano yung duso kanina, no? Winner. Winner. Okay, tabinig lang po natin sa net bago tayo water break. Polaris Metalder. Split si Metalder. So lahat ng cars meron ng red mark. Yung sina McLaurin, yung sa Rock Metalder, sila pa lang. So far. Okay. Maraming matay. Race number 13 na tayo. Race number 13 now is going to be Venom taking on Neon Sarah. And in this race, have a battle of super. It's going to be Venom starting at lane 1, Neon Sarah at lane 2 this time around. I repeat, Venom at lane 1, Neon Sarah at lane 2 as their respective starting lanes. Alright, it's blue versus green. Alam natin Nino Lasal ng labanan sa ating race number 13. Switch on. Ready, set, five. Good. Robin. Robin. Draw game. Yung unang natumba. O yun yung tatapat. Ay, hindi. Tapos na. Ay, tapos na parehas. Waiting. Waiting. Waiting pa nga. Pareha nang tapos. At least magkakaroon ng score. Pareha na nakalaban ni Metalder si Saray. Oh. Yung Sarah Venom ko. Next, race number 14. Race number 14 will feature McLaurin taking on Setsuna. And in this matchup of all-time runs, it's going to be all-time Setsuna starting at lane 1. All right, race number 14. Switch on. Ready, set, five. Final. Setsuna wins. Isan. Isan. Talaga. Hindi, una na itong pa. Huling na itong pa. O, dahil yung panalo, dito na yun. Tama. Kasi si Setsuna nakalaban na tama. Nakalaban na okay. Tama. Okay. Setsuna won. Palibot pa lang gusto mo yung Setsuna yan. Setsuna splitting in first four assignments. McLaurin, Setsuna. So last assignment ni McLaurin si Beno. Ayan na yung last niya. Pala 15, 16, 17, 18, 15, tapos 16, 17. Tapos na rin si McLaurin, si Metal. Si Setsuna hindi pa. So, unang matatapos pala dyan si tatlo na yung red mark si McLaurin. No? Tapos si Setsuna naman wala 3-1. Ito ang split. Sa 3-1. Tapos 2-1. Tapos 15. Alright. Race 15. Race 15 tayo. Race number 15 na tayo. It's going to be MP taking on Polaris. MP versus Polaris in our race number 15. And in this matchup, it's going to be MP starting at lane 1 and Polaris starting at lane 2. I repeat, MP at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2. Alright, race number 15. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Last two. Final lap. Okay. Nice running. MP winner. All right. MP. I think Metal de Polaris di pa tapos eh. Mepo. Ayun, tapos. Polaris, talo kay MP. Final assignment di Polaris, Venom. Si Venom ang last assignment ni Polaris. Tapos, si MP Polaris. Baklor, yung sarap ito, ganun lang. Si Metal din, tatlo pa kang ba niya. Ayan, tama yan. Sige. Polaris, last assignment, Venom, lilipat. Okay. Race 16. Ipagod po ang inyong lingkod. Grabe. Mahirap po talaga yung double duty po ngayon. Lalo na pag against odds na lang po tayo. Po talaga ang buhay ng inyong pong lingkod. One against all odds. Wala na po tayo mga sample. Alright. Race number 16 na tayo. It's going to be Neon Sara taking on Setsuna. Alright. In this matchup, Neon Sara Setsuna. Check. Penultimate assignment na pala ni Setsuna ito. In race number 16 is going to be Neon Sara starting at lane 2. Again, balik lane 2 naman ang starting lane ni Neon Sara. While Setsuna will start at lane 1. Alright. It's black and purple versus green in our race number 6. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Two. Ang galak. Grabe naman yung galak ng Tekken. Wala tumba pa. Nauli na ka, tumba pa. Nauli na ka, yung paano kaya yun? Dirig. Setso na winner. Isay. Isay. So, last assignment ni Setso na will be against Metalder. Yun ang last assignment. Yun sa akin naman, last assignment niya will be against Pay. Alright. So, antay. Antay ngayon sila. Mag-antayan sila ngayon dyan. Antayan ngayon dyan. Mag-antayan sila ngayon dyan. Aray. Aray. Winner, Setso na. Against the user. Haliman talaga si Setso na. Niyan sa Setso. Dalawang kulang marka. Sarah, may kupo. Last assignment, MP. Si Setso na Metalder, last assignment. MP Metalder. Okay. Race number 17 na po tayo. Last assignment na to ni McLaurin sa ating ranking phase ngayong araw nito. Ngayong Sabado nights natin. It's going to be Venom taking on McLaurin. Battle of Let's and Go Villains in our race number 17. This match, Venom starting at dito para makulay na ano. Repeat, madali ng tanda. Venom day 1, McLaurin day 2. Alright. Race number 17, the Battle of Let's and Go Villains. Switch on. Ready? McLaurin natin. Final up. McLaurin winner. Alright. Last assignment na ni McLaurin. So, out na siya. Venom Polaris. Alright. Race number 18 na tayo. MP taking on Metalder in our race number 18. I think last na ni Metalder. Penultimate. Meron po kung Setso na pala sa last, no? Yun. Okay. Race number 18 is going to be taking on Metalder, and in this matchup it's going to be MP starting at lane 2, Metalder at lane 1. Repeat, MP at lane 2. So race number 18. Switch on. So down to last 3 races after this. Ready, set, bye. Kanina. Kailangan mo, booking na sa gagawin nyo. Last 2. Final up. Si MP, draw. Metalder, winner. Alright. Yun. O, the last 3. Tama. Last na ni Venom, di Polaris. Last na lahat yan. Good. Race number 4 nga pala si Venom na kumitatin. Nakalimutan ko. Yung unang natumba kasi si Metatin ay bago din niya sa... Correct. Nga pala. So, dalawa pa na namin ni Venom. Sino yung kinalaman niya si MP? Final assignment ni MP siya. Dalawa. Okay. Race number 19. Okay. Ayan, sunod-sunod na. Pakanito na yung basa natin. Baliktad. Okay. Malinaw na yan, ha? Race number 19 na tayo. Okay. Race number 19, it's going to be Venom taking on Polaris. Last assignment. So, last 3 races na talaga. Race number 19. It's going to be Venom starting at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2. I repeat, Venom at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2. Alright, race number 19. Switcher. Ready, set, right. Balik. Ayan lang. Okay. Ay, lobat. Lobat na. Pero di bali? Venom winner. Sinuwerte pa. Turod. Sinuwerte pa. Nahilo ko ron ah. Nahilong yung lingkod. Ganun talaga. Ganun talaga pag rugi na. So, tatlong by Venom. Yes na. Polaris split 6 points total kay Polaris. Tigatlong pa na talo. Walang blue mark. Si Venom, ang final score niya 7. 1 draw. Okay. Next. And ultimate race of our ranking phase today, it's going to be MP taking on Neon Sara. MP versus Neon Sara for our 20th race. Ranking phase today. Today, may Sabado nights na ngayon. Magandang gabi na. Magandang Sabado nights na. Alright, race number 20 versus Neon Sara. In this matchup, it's going to be MP starting at lane 2, Neon Sara at lane 1. I repeat, MP at lane 2, Neon Sara lane 1. Alright, the penultimate race of our ranking phase is Sabado night. Switch. Ready, set, five. Laban. Ang tayo ng bakit. Kasi, ay nalingin ko rin kay. Ay na lang. MP closing out its ranking phase campaign with a victory over Neon Sara. All right. So, okay. Say, siguro ko si MP. 8 points. Neon Sara, 3 points. Yun yung mga final score nila. Baka malaglag pa si Neon Sara. Delikado. MP, 8 points now. Alright, down to our one final showdown in our ranking phase today. It's going to be Metaldel taking on Setsuna. Alright. in this matchup, 21 of the ranking phase is going to be Metalder starting at lane 1, Setsuna at lane 2. Alright, if SLT versus Tokusatsu here in this 21st and final race of the ranking phase this Saturday night. Switch on. Ready, set, 5. Lagi kita timbang daw. Final lap. Kaya kita group. Setsuna closing out this ranking phase with a victory over Metal. Alright. Ayos na. Ayos na to. Setsuna. Nagwawala si Setsuna ngayon. Tabla sila ni Venom. Win over the other. Win over the other. Yeah. This result for at the end of this ranking phase, that is, it's going to be like this. Po, nalito lang ako doon sa race number 4. Nakalimutan ko. Yung Venom Metalder pa lang race number 4. Kasi natapat na kay MP kagad ng race number 7 kasi so ibig sabihin si Venom ang nanalo. Loser winner yun eh. Loser winner. O kaya pag alimbawa race number 1 nagtabla sila o di yung unang umimbang yun na lalaban sa race 4. Nagkata si Metalder yung unang sumabit. So siya yung lumaban kay Venom una. Yun. So tama. Tapos nanalo din si Venom sa race 4. So panalo si Venom. Alright. So, ayan po. Ay, sorry. So, ito po yung naging resulta po natin. Okay. So, ayan yung mga naging resulta natin. 3-2-1 kay Venom. Win-loss draw na yung basa natin dito. 3-2-1. Venom, MP 4-2. 4 wins, 2 losses. McLaurin 2-3-1 in win, loss, and draw. Wins, losses, and draw. And then, Neon Sara, 3 losses, 3 draws. Then Metalder identical with McLaurin, 2 wins, 3 losses, 1 draw. Polaris splitting its 6 assignments with 3 wins and 3 losses. Setsuna identical with MP, 4 wins, 2 losses. But due to the win over the other rule, ito po yung nangyari. Kaya si MP ang nakuha ng top seed dahil siya yung nanalo kontra kay Setsuna nung kanilang duelo. Pares man silang 4 wins, 2 losses. Pero na naglaban sila sa race number 3, si MP ang nanalo. Kaya si MP ang may tiebreaker, making it the top-seeded car, going to the KO stage. Pero ang good news, MP and Setsuna, both MP and Setsuna will be entering the semifinals outright. Alright, so number 3, Venom with a total of 7. Then solo fourth, Polaris with 6 points total. Then yung dalawang may 5 points apiece, yon po yung number 5 and number 6, McLaurin and Metalder. But due to the win over the other, natalo si McLaurin kay Metalder. Therefore, Metalder gaining the tiebreaker against McLaurin, making it number 5, and McLaurin relegated to number 6. And si Neon Sarang Colela dead last at 3 losses and 3 draws, making it only 3 points total. And unfortunately, itong si Neon Sara ay matatapos ang October 2023 with an early elimination. So ang final score kay Neon Sarang for October 2023 will be 1 point. So 1/3 finish lang ang nakuha this month. Tapos early elimination pa. So yan. Alright, so ayos na yung ating knockout stage natin. So ayusin lang po natin saglit and we'll go right away with our KO stage. Okay. So si MP at si Setsuna yung mga outright semis, no? Si MP ang top seed, Setsuna second seed. Ayun. Okay, so dito na yan. Dito na magkabila. Yan. At tapos, 4-5. Sino yung 4-5? Metalder Polaris. Okay. Number 4, number 5. Ayan. Tapos 3-6, Venom, yan na mauuna. Quarters 1, 4 versus 5. Tapos 3 versus 6. Ayun. Okay. Alright. We'll proceed right away with our knockout stage, beginning with this quarterfinals number 1 matchup between the fourth-seeded Polaris taking on the fifth-seeded Metalder in our quarterfinals number 1. And in this QF1, to start our KO stage to close out Oktoberfest edition of BPL SMC this month, it's going to be Metalder starting as playing 1. Polaris starting dito, Metalder starting at 1. I repeat, Polaris will be starting at lane 0 and 2-1, 2-1, 2-1. Kasi 1-2-1-2 ngayon. Yung race sa 21, lane 1 ang starting lane ng IFC. So this time, kanino 2-1-2-1. Quarters 1, semis 1, race 4, ang starting lane ng IFC. So in this case, it's going to be Polaris at lane 2, Metalder at lane 2. Okay, Dragon Split, activate. Talaga nalaksan. Sa pala dun sa Team MSR, sa self sa MSR, sa good luck kaya Sir Alex, kaya kung kagawad yan sa isang barangay yan sa mga so all the best for you, but the best for you ay Sir Alex, good luck sa pagkakulang ng also because yung pagkakasin lang is upang sa evento or para sa just enjoy the game and enjoy always may pangit naman studies and wala yung lingkod sa hirap ng pinagdadaanan. Ako ang 60 makakita talagang sobrang iyak-iyak pinagdadaanan. Alright, moving on with our chaos stage. It's now going to start this one. It is quarter minutes. Ready? Last two. Final attack. Later on. Yan, si Polaris na naman. And unfortunately for Polaris will be closing out its rank, Oktoberfest 2023 campaign with an early one. Yeah, so bad news ang worst case scenario kay Polaris, wala siyang na-score. Bokya siya who won October 2023, which is very unusual. Napaka-unusual po yun sa ating impacts ng league. Sa isang buong buwan, wala kang na-score. Bokya ka talaga. Grabe. Buti sana yung 4-3-2-1. Ibale, pag naging ng November, babalik na natin yung 4-3-2-1 format. Pero na yan, group stage na to. At sa simula November 4, supposed to be November 1 yun, pero November 4 siya instead. In observance of St. Paul's Day. Yung po, kaya ako po ilipat ng for next week. So, isang linggo ito yung magpapahinga, and then next Saturday, karera tayo. Pero, from then on, first 3 games agad, first 3 races agad. Pagdating ng November 6 onwards, balik sa dati. Balik na tayo sa dating schedule, Monday and Wednesday. Ngayon is special time na po. At sa susunod na sa. Alright, so going to be Metalder emerging victorious over Polaris to gain another semi-finals berth, facing MP in our semi-finals number 1. On the other hand, it's now time for our quarterfinals number 2, which will feature Venom, the 3rd seeded car, taking on the 6th seeded car, McLaren. And it is the quarterfinals number 2, battle of Let's Say New Villains. It's Nick Steiner versus Brocken Giants. Ang lating labanan sa ating UFC, wearing the starting lane of the cars will be follows. Starting and Brocken will be starting. I repeat, Venom at lane 1, McLaren at lane 2. Same lane as their cars. Yung blue lane doon, yung lane 1. Ang lane 2, yung lane 2. Pag nilagay sa lane 2 yan, meron yan. Yung red font at saka blue font. Ibig sabihin, yun naman starting. Kasi ang blue, ang lane 2, I coded it red. Para ngayon, 3 lane. Ang 3 lane, red, blue, green yan. Red 1, green 2, blue 3. Respectively, lane 1, lane 2, lane 2. Red 1, green. Pag 5 lane, red 1, green 2, blue 3, yellow 4, black 5. Pwede yung black 5, yung lane 5. Hindi pink. Hindi pink, kundi black or white. Ganun po yung mangyayari dyan. Now, alright. May nakaka-confuse na. Pero kung minsan pwede i-invite nyo ng mga organizer. Pero kung akong organizer, gano'n ang gagawin ko. Palibasa, bata kung inyong game. Makilig sa payuman. May bata ko na ako, makapalit ng payuman. Kita kayo, makikita yung bata ng Team Software. Both openings and both some Mr. Takayuki. Also, the senior behind the opening lady of Striker Black Onyx. Alright, without further ado, it's now time for our two, 3 counts. 3, 10, 5. Alright, winner na. That's it. Game over. Game over. Although Venom will be booted out early in this quarter-final match of this knockout stage, kahit man nasibak ng maaga itong si Venom, still, siya na yung highest scorer at the end of this October 1st, 2023 dahil siya po yung pinakamataas na total aggregate points. Maski natanggal siya ngayong maaga, siya na rin yung ating champion of the month. Officially, siya na talaga yung ating champion of the month. So, ang magiging final score niya will be 16. Final score niya will be 16 points. Unreachable na po yun. Anong mangyari pa ito? Kina McLaren, MP, Setsuna, at kaya Metal. Sino man ang maka-champion sa kanila, hindi makakabol. Kahit si Setsuna mag-champion, hindi makakabol. Si Venom, malayo. Napakalayo ng disparity. Ito na kasi yung last race natin this month. But nevertheless, congratulations pa rin kay Venom, maski maaga natanggal. Mamaya, i-formalize din natin yung pagiging champion of the month niya. On the other hand, McLaren will be facing in our semifinals number 2 this Sabado night. Special time on DTL SMC. Alright. Mamaya, i-formalize din natin si Venom as champion of the month. Yung mga final proclamations natin this month, talaga natin mamaya. In the meantime, time now for our semifinals number 1. This will feature the top seeded MP going up against Metalder, the 5th seeded car, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 1 matchup natin sa ating semifinals number 1. Ganun din na sa 2 versus 6 naman. So yung mga lower seeded, yung mga pinaka mababang rank, sila pwede mapasok sa semifinals natin. Alright. In the semifinals number 1, it's going to be MP starting at lane 2, and Metalder will be starting at lane 1. MP at lane 2, Metalder at lane 1 as their respective starting lanes. Alright, bagong friend activate. Alright, mga kadipat, we are of Oktoberfest edition of UPL SLC, beginning with the semifinals number 1. Ito na yung ating semis round ng ating table. John. Ready? Set? Oh. Good. Good. Buti ka lang, di nagkakampos. Ano kaya? Ito, takto. Sige. Wala ito, pwede mo lang yung localized thunderstorms. Umuulan na po sa labas dahil sa localized thunderstorms. Medyo nag-aambon, so bibilisan na po natin yung tapos. Nagulan kasi ninyong lingkod, kaya medyo natagalan tayo ngayong gabi, ngayong araw nito. Alright. Okay, time now for our first of 2 restarts in our semifinal. Ready? Quick chaos. Winner. Okay. Winner. Yan. Alright. Alright. So, natapos rin yung ating semi-final with David. Unfortunately, we ended up with David. Dahil kung may mag-i-ended na tulong ni Metalder at yung po yung nangyari. It's going to be Metalder emerging victorious going into our championship race to close out October 2023. Alright. In the meantime, it's now time for our semifinals number 2. This will feature Setsuna, the second seeded car, going up against the 6th seeded car, McLaren. And in the semifinals number 2, it's going to be Setsuna. McLaren not failing to effective study. Alright. Okay. Pero kung check natin yung ayaw. Hindi mo ko na. Setsuna emerging victorious in our semifinals number 2. So it's going to be Metalder versus Setsuna in championship. Grabe! Yung number 21 natin, yung pang ating championship race, mga kadipat. Wow! So without further ado, narito na tayo sa ating race for third. Top-seeded MP versus 6-seeded McLaren in our race for third. Battle of all the champions for ating race for third. And in this matchup, lane 2 is the starting lane for MP. And what will be starting at 1-1. So, natin yung kabang mga kalipat. Alright. P. Kaya yung sumupay-pay pa, yari. Nagupay-pay pa ng di oras, doro. Ayan. Yon. Alright, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third for our Sabado night edition of DTL SMC. Alright, first to 6 laps po ito. Ganun na. Ano ba yun? Bakit ganun na? Ayaw nang umadjust. Ayaw nang umadjust. Ayun. Alright. Race for third na po tayo. Switch on. Ready, set, run. MP ahead. Last two. Final lane changer. Habulin pa rin McLaren. Final lap. Let's see. KO. Game over.
Ano na eh, nakahit.
Biglang tumirik si McLaren. Puro. And it's going to be MP emerging victorious over McLaren after finishing third place finish. So third place finish para kay MP to close out October 20. Alright. Aha. Sandali lang. Ayusin lang po natin yung ating alam. Ito siyo. Alright. Down to our one final showdown in our Oktoberfest edition of DTL SMC. And this will feature our championship round between Setsuna, the second-seeded car, going up against the fifth-seeded Metalder. And in this championship race, mga ka-Dipat, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1, and Metalder will be starting at lane 2. I repeat, Setsuna at lane 1, Metalder at lane 2. Alright? So, maski ano muna natin? Okay? Maski ganyan lang muna natin. Kasi yung ano eh, medyo nagugulo yung ating cam, kaya mas makabubuti kung ayusin lang muna nating mabuti. Let's hope na hindi bumaba. Para sigurado. Mababa kasi. Alam po, officials timeout ulit. Alright. Alright. I-Metalder, ganun din. Alright mga ka-Dipat, without further ado, it's now time for our championship race to culminate our one final championship race to culminate our festivities for our Oktoberfest edition for 2023 here on DPAT's Tamiya League SMC or Stock Motor Conference. First to 6 laps mga ka-DPAT. So which same starting lane din kagaya ng kanina naglaban sila. Ready, set, bye. Plato. Okay. Hit winner. Paper art. Okay. Kung may mga hinito na eh. Actually, nag-painting na nga. Tinuloy ko na lang kasi baka bumagsak pa yung camera natin. Alright. So that wraps up our October 2023 edition of DTL SMC with the championship from Metalder. But unfortunately, hindi na sapat yung championship ni Metalder para abutan pa si Venom dahil nakapunan na ng 5 championships ito si Venom, making it the champion of the month this October 2023. Okay, pwede na natin ibaba. Final podium finishers for our final set of podium finishers rather for our October 2023 edition of DTL SMC, DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. And let's start off with Metalder rather, being our new champion, the last champion of October 2023. Congratulations to Metalder being the champion for this last race day of Oktoberfest 2023 on DTL SMC. Congratulations. Metalder will have a final score of 9. 3 championships times 3, 9. 3 points times 3 championships equals a total of 9 aggregate points. On the other end, Setsuna, not bad for being the second place. So tumabla pala siya kay ano. So tabla pala si Metalder at Setsuna with 9 points apiece dahil itong si Setsuna, ang final score niya rin ay 9 points after finishing second. Kasi prior to this, 7 points na yung total niya. Pero nakapag second place, so plus 2 on aggregate, making it a total of 9. Tying Metalder with 9 points apiece. Tying at second place. So tied at second place in Setsuna at Metalder, yung mga naglaban sa ating championship race tonight. And on the other end, MP finishing the October 2023 edition of DTL SMC with a third place finish again. So back-to-back third place. Yung last 2 race days ng October, third place si MP. So plus 1 ulit on aggregate, making it a final score. Its final score of 4 points. So yun po yung mga final score po natin. Ito po yung mga final aggregate natin. So isusulat ko na rito. Isusulat ko na po yung ating final score. Okay. So ang final score po natin for McLaren is 7 points. Final na po yan. So meron lang score dito si Metalder 1, 2, 3. Oops. 1, 2, 3. And then Setsuna 1, 2. MP1. Okay. So si Polaris talagang unfortunate nga lang si Polaris tinapos yung October 2023 na book yan. 0. McLaren 7. Metalder 9. Tabla si Mirik at saka si Metalder Mirik at si McLaren pala 7 points apiece. Tabla sa 4th place. Metalder tied at second with Setsuna. And then Venom with 16, making it the champion of the month. MP with 4, Ian Sauer with 2. Alright, final na yan. So ito po yung mga final score nila. Yan, McLaren and Mirik have 7 points total apiece. So yan, pare silang 7 points. Si Polaris, 0. Metalder and Setsuna tied at second with 9 points apiece. Venom being the highest scorer for the month with 16, 5 championships yun. 1 third place and 5 championships rather, making it a total of 15. And then Ian Sara with 2, MP with 4. So our champion of the month is Venom. All right. So for today's edition of DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, here are the podium finishers for tonight. And we will close out our October 2023 with our champion of the month, Venom. Okay, so congratulations Venom being our October 2023 Champion of the Month for 2 straight months. September, siya rin ang Champion of the Month for Team Road naman for Group C. So, pagdating ng November, merong dalawang magbabalik. Merong dalawang isang bagong entry at isang returning entry sa ating DTL SMC come November 2023. Abangan nyo po yan. Sa darating na November 2023, abangan nyo po yung dalawang bagong papasok for Team Bahay. Yeah. So yung Team Labas, kompleto na, 6 yan. Ang Team Bahay will be 5, consisting of 5 or 6 din. So balik tayo sa 6-on-6 battle. So 4 at a time. Group stage tayo ulit. Babalik tayo dun sa group stage natin. Magiging group stage na ulit yung ating labanan sa DTL SMC come November 2023. And for our Oktoberfest 2023 edition, that will do it for our October 2023 edition of DPAT's Tamiya Liga Stock Motor Conference ended this October 28, 2023. And once again, congratulations to Venom being the back-to-back Champion of the Month awardee. Yan. And once again, this has been your host, racer, producer, and director, and Marshall, all at once, all in one package. Don Patrick P. Paragular here, signing off for now. And thank you so much to all who watched and whoever will watch anytime on our video log. This on a special day, a special Saturday, for 2 straight Saturdays. Yan. Yung last ng October, and then next week, yung first of the 9 race day schedule ng November 2023. So kita-kits tayo ulit sa susunod na Sabado on a newer track layout this time. Alright, mga kadipat, so I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative biases, and get yourselves protected at all times from all negativities and toxicity around you. And protect yourselves at all and at all costs. As always, iwas po tayo sa masamang bisyo, lalo na sa droga at sa lahat ng mga masasamang bisyo sa paligid. Alright. So once again, this has been Don Patrick D. Aguilar, leaving you a pleasant and blessed Sabado nights to all of you at sa lahat ng mga tumatakbong barangay at SK chairman, captain, kagawad, sa mga tumatakbo ngayong araw ng halalan sa darating na Lunes. Just vote wisely, vote in accordance with your will. Long live democracy, eka nga. Alright. So, once again, mga kadipat, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika Nation, and God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe. Muli po, mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas at taos puso natin ipagmalaki at ipakita sa buong mundong tayo ay Pilipino. Sama-sama tayong bumangon ulit na sabihin tayo ay Pilipino, isigaw ng malakas ang ating panalo, taos puso, taas noo, kahit kanina. And once again, I leave you with this Champion of the Month, Venom, for October 2023. And this has been another presentation of another exciting edition of DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Once again, this has been Don Patrick P. Paraguilar saying, Shukran, Tusentak, at magkita-kits tayo ulit sa susunod na Sabado para simulan ng November 2023 sa DTL SMC.